Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlead Guide. I am Saurav Rogle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic All the World's a Stage on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rogle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe our channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. All the World's a Stage is written by a renowned English poet, playwright and actor ... Options are A. William Wordsworth, B. William Shakespeare, C. William Golding or D. William Hazlitt. Correct option is B. William Shakespeare. Question number 2. Where was Shakespeare born? Options are A. Stratford upon Thames, B. Stamford upon Avon, C. Stratford upon Avon or D. Stratford upon Hodder. Correct option is C. Stratford upon Avon. Question number 3. What is the lifespan of Shakespeare? Options are A. 1564 to 1616, B. 1516 to 1620, C. 1664 to 1716 or D. 1764 to 1816. The correct option is A. 1564 to 1616. Question number 4. Shakespeare was died at the age of ... Options are A. 52, B. 66, C. 72 or D. 48. Correct option is A. 52. Question number 5. Shakespeare was the third child of John Shakespeare, ... and Mary Arden. The options are A. a teacher, B. a lawyer, C. a leather merchant or D. an actor. Correct option is C. a leather merchant. Question number 6. In 1592, Shakespeare had begun his career as ... in London. Options are A. an actor and a playwright, B. a singer and a playwright, C. a musician and an actor or D. a writer and a poet. Correct option is A. an actor and a playwright. Question number 7. When did Shakespeare join the Lord Chamberlain, the popular theatre company of his time? Options are A. 1594, B. 1596, C. 1599 or D. 1616. The correct option is A. 1594. Question number 8. What is Shakespeare popularly known as? Options are A. National Dramatist and Poet of England, B. National Poet of England and the Bard of Avon, C. International Sonneteer and English Dramatist or D. Professional Actor and Creative Writer of England. Correct option is B. National Poet of England and the Bard of Avon. Question number 9. How many plays had Shakespeare written? Options are A. 57, B. 37, C. 47 or D. 67. Correct option is B. 37. Question number 10. What is the name of Shakespeare's theatre in London? Options are A. The State Theatre, B. The Globe Theatre, C. The Garrick Theatre or D. The Fox and the Hound Theatre. Correct option is B. The Globe Theatre. Question number 11. The 4 categories of Shakespeare's play are histories, comedies, tragedies and ... Options are A. Comedic tragedies, B. Melodrama, C. Romances or D. Tragic comedies. Correct option is C. Romances. Question number 12. How many sonnets has Shakespeare written? Options are A. 159, B. 144, C. 107 or D. 154. Correct option is D. 154. Question number 13. What are the titles of Shakespeare's 2 long poems? Options are A. Venus and Adonis and the Rape of Lucrece, B. The Phoenix and the Turtle and all the world's a stage. C. Let me not, the marriage of true minds and all the world's a stage. Or D. The quality of mercy and all the world's a stage. Correct option is A. Venus and Adonis and the rape of Lucrece. Question number 14. The title All the World's a Stage is an example of dash dash. Options are A. Extended metaphor, B. Hyperbole, C. Simile, or D. Personification. Correct option is A. Extended metaphor. Question number 15. All the World's a Stage is an extract taken from Act 2, Scene 7 of the play dash dash. Options are A. King Lear, B. Hamlet, C. Macbeth, or D. As You Like It. Correct option is D. As You Like It. Question number 16. The speech in As You Like It is spoken by the character named dash dash. Options are A. Hamlet, B. Jakes, C. Portia, or D. Mary. Correct option is B. Jakes. Question number 17. All the World's a Stage is dash dash of Jakes. Options are A. Soliloquy, B. An epilogue, C. A dramatic monologue, or D. A monologue. The correct option is D. A monologue. Question 18. Jakes in As You Like It or William Shakespeare compares the world to a dash dash. Options are A. Actors and actress, B. Drama and childhood, C. Stage or 7 acts play, or D. Soldier and lover. Correct option is C. Stage or 7 acts play. Question 19. As You Like It is an analogy where life of an individual is traced or sketched from dash dash to dash dash. Options are A. Justice to old age, B. Lover to soldier, C. Soldier to judge, or D. Infant or childhood to old age. Correct option is D. Infant or childhood to old age. Question 20. How many acts of life are described in the poem All the World's a Stage? Options are A. 8, B. 3, C. 5, or D. 7. The correct option is D. 7. Question 21. All the men and women merely players. Here players means dash dash. Options are A. Directors and actresses, B. Cricketers and umpires, C. Actors and actresses, or D. Selectors and players. Correct option is C. Actors and actresses. Question 22. Why does Shakespeare want to indicate through the word merely players? Options are A. Because they are famous players, B. Because they are popular players, C. Because they perform on the stage, or D. The dramatist or God decides his or her role. The correct option is D. The dramatist or God decides his or her role. Question 23. Who is the playwright or dramatist or director of the play of life? Options are A. Shakespeare, B. Jakes, C. Almighty God, or D. Players in the drama. Correct option is C. Almighty God. Question 24. In All the World's a Stage, different acts of drama are compared to different dash dash. Options are A. Scenes of drama, B. Plots of the drama, C. Actors of the drama, or D. Stages of human life. Correct option is D. Stages of human life. Question 25. How many stages of human life does Shakespeare describe in the poem? Options are A. 7, B. 5, C. 3, or D. 4. The correct option is A. 7. Question 26. In our life, we all have our own exits and our own dash dash. Options are A. singers and musicians, B. partings, C. departures, or D. entrances? Correct option is D. entrances. Question 27. What does the phrase used by Shakespeare, exits and entrances, refer to? Options are A. coming and going, B. life and death, C. arrival and departure, or D. birth and death. The correct option is D. birth and death. Question 28. How many roles or parts can an individual play in his life? Options are A. many, B. 5, C. 4, or D. 7. Correct option is A. many. Question 29. The first act of our life begins with dash dash. Options are A. a grown-up, B. an adult, C. an infant, or D. schoolboy. Correct option is C. an infant. Question 30. In the first act of our life, we mule and puke in the arms of dash dash. Options are A. nurse, B. doctor, C. God, or D. father. Correct option is A. nurse. Question 31. What does Shakespeare want to say through mewling and puking? Options are A. crying and creeping, B. crying and vomiting, C. crying and laughing, or D. crying and beating. Correct option is B. crying and vomiting. Question 32. What is the meaning of the word nurse referred by Shakespeare in the first? Options are A. lady in the hospital, B. lady in the clinic, C. mother of the baby, or D. lady doctor in the hospital. Correct option is C. mother of the baby. Question 33. Whom does the schoolboy is compared in the poem All the World's a Stage? Options are A. satchel, B. school, C. teacher, or D. creeping snail. Correct option is D. creeping snail. Question 34. Why does Shakespeare compare the schoolboy to a creeping snail? Options are A. he likes to play with snail, B. he slowly and unwillingly goes to school, C. there are snails around the school, or D. he does not like snail. Correct option is B. he slowly and unwillingly goes to school. Question 35. Then the whining schoolboy with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail. Here the word like indicates dash dash figure of speech. Options are A. metonymy, B. personification, C. metaphor, or D. simile. Correct option is D. simile. Question 36. Schoolboy is the dash dash stage or act of our life. Options are A. first, B. third, C. second, or D. fourth. Correct option is C. second. Question 37. The face of the schoolboy is compared with dash dash. Options are A. shining morning, B. rose flower, C. bud of rose, or D. garland of rose. Correct option is A. shining morning. Question 38. What is the meaning of the word satchel used in the context of schoolboy? Options are A. water bottle, B. a lunch box, C. pencil box, or D. school bag. Correct option is D. school bag. Question 39. What the third stage or act of our life as described by Shakespeare? Options are A. the lover, B. schoolboy, C. old age, or D. the soldier. Correct option is A. the lover. Question 40. What is the main feature of a lover or the third stage of our life? Options are A. we challenge the outer world and enjoy our life, B. we sigh like furnace and sing a woeful ballad made on mistress. C. We forget ourselves in the company of our partner. Or D. We fulfill the demands of our love. The correct option is B. We sigh like furnace and sing a woeful ballad made on mistress. Question 41. What do you mean by furnace referred in the poem All the World's a Stage? Options are A. An open place where something is stored at very low temperature. B. A closed place where something is stored at very low temperature. C. An open place where something is heated at a very high temperature. Or D. A closed place where something is heated at very high temperature. Correct option is D. A closed place where something is heated at a very high temperature. Question 42. At what stage of life we sing a woeful ballad? Options are A. The lover or third. B. The infant or first. C. The justice or fifth. Or D. The soldier or fourth. Correct option is A. The lover or third. Question 43. What do you mean by a woeful ballad? Options are A. Long ballad. B. Happy song. C. Elegy. Or D. Sad and romantic or love song. Correct option is D. Sad and romantic or love song. Question 44. What is the fourth stage or act of our life? Options are A. Army officer. B. Justice. C. Soldier. Or D. Lover. Correct option is C. Soldier. Question 45. What are the features of the fourth stage, or what features of a soldier are described in the poem? Options are A. Ready to fight in the war. B. Ready to challenge the enemy. C. Ready to challenge anybody for the sake of popularity. Or D. Strange oaths, jealous in honor, quick in quarrel, and seek for bubble repetition. Correct option is D. Strange oaths, jealous in honor, quick in quarrel, and seek for bubble reputation. Question 46. Who is described as seeking the bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth? Options are A. A justice. B. A schoolboy. C. A lover. Or D. A soldier. Correct option is D. A soldier. Question 47. Then a soldier full of strange oaths and bearded like the pard. Which word in the line indicates a simile? Options are A. Strange. B. Oaths. C. Pard. Or D. Like. Correct option is D. Like. Question 48. What is the fifth stage or act of our life? Options are A. Schoolboy. B. Lover. C. Soldier. Or D. Justice. Correct option is D. Justice. Question 49. What word is used by Shakespeare which means cliches or well-known proverbs? Options are A. Wise saws. B. Formal cut. C. Cap on lined. Or D. Round belly. The correct option is A. Wise saws. Question 50. In fair round belly with good cap on lined, with eyes severe and beard of former cut, full of wise saws and modern instances. Which stage of life is described in this line? Options are A. Schoolboy or second. B. Lover or third. C. Soldier or fourth. Or D. Justice or fifth. The correct option is D. Justice or fifth. Question 51. What do you mean by slippered pantaloons described in All the World's a Stage? Options are A. Tight pants. B. Loose trousers. C. A funny old man. Or D. Loose pantaloons. Correct option is C. A funny old man. Question 52. What stage of life we have spectacles on our nose, pouch on side, and whistles in sound? Options are A. Second or schoolboy. B. Fourth or soldier. C. Fifth or justice. Or D. sixth or funny old man? The correct option is D. Sixth or funny old man. Question 53. The last stage of life is marked by dash dash. Options are A. Senility, B. Fear of death, C. Anxiety, or D. Lonely. Correct option is A. Senility. Question 54. The last scene of life is referred to dash dash. Options are A. Death, B. Old age, C. Old and helpless stage, or D. Sickness. Correct option is C. Old and helpless stage. Question 55. What stage of life is called end of eventful history? Options are A. Last or final or seventh, B. Fifth, C. Sixth, or D. Third. Correct option is A. Last or final or seventh. Question 56. Shakespeare uses a French word sans for 4 times in the final line of the poem. What does it mean by? Options are A. Sand, B. With, C. Without, or D. Sons. Correct option is C. Without. Question 57. At what stage of our life our sound starts to whistle? Options are A. Fourth, B. Seventh, C. Fifth, or D. Sixth. Correct option is D. Sixth. Question 58. The poem All the World's a Stage contains dash dash lines. Options are A. 32, B. 28, C. 24, or D. 18. Correct option is B. 28. Question 59. There are 2 major poetic devices used in the poem. They are simile and dash dash. Options are A. Personification, B. Hyperbole, C. Metaphor, or D. Onomatopoeia. Correct option is C. Metaphor. Question 60. Which one of the following is not true about soldier described in All the World's Stage? Options are A. Full of oaths and bearded like pard, B. Jealous in honor and quick in quarrel, C. Seek for bubble reputation, or D. Always careful of his identity card. Correct option is D. Always careful of his identity card. Question 61. Which one of the following is not true about the last act described in All the World's a Stage? Options are A. End of strange eventful history, B. Second childhood, C. Sans teeth, eyes, taste, or D. Having experience gets respect. Correct option is D. Having experience gets respect. Question 62. How does a man play a lover's role? Options are A. He composes sonnets for his beloved to earn her attention, B. He composes odes for his beloved to earn her attention, C. He composes elegies for his beloved to earn her attention, or D. He composes ballads for his beloved to earn her attention. Correct option is D. He composes ballads for his beloved to earn her attention. Question 63. What are the features of the 4th stage of a man as described by Shakespeare? Options are A. Kind-hearted, jealous, and pleasant, B. Aggressive, ambitious, desire for bubble reputation, and ready to face canon, C. Optimistic, joyful, and responsibility, or D. Pessimistic, coward, and gloomy. Correct option is B. Aggressive, ambitious, desire for bubble reputation, and ready to face canon. Question 64. When does a man become a judge? Options are A. After starts practice in the court, B. After getting degree of law, C. After getting maturity and wisdom, or D. After leaving school. Correct option is C. After getting maturity and wisdom. Question 65. How does a man behave in the stage of a judge? Options are A. Playful and joyous, B. Wobbly and shaky, C. Firm and serious, or D. Nervous and careful. Correct option is C. Firm and serious. Question 66. Why is the last stage called second childhood? Options are A. He likes sweets, B. He likes to play with children, C. It is the last act, or D. He loses sight, hearing, smell and taste. Correct option is D. He loses sight, hearing, smell and taste. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.